Say hi.
Hi.
I'm gonna learn to crawl today. Or I'm just gonna plant my face into the blanket. Come on, lift your head up, Nat.
Natalia, oh, there you go.
Hi, Pumpkin. Let's see those feet move.
Here she goes. She's doing a good job right now.
I'm going somewhere. You can do it. Ooh, butt up in the air. Where are you going? You going somewhere? Let's see how high your butt up is in the air. Yeah, look at that booty in the air. Booty, booty, booty in the air. Are we tired?
Yeah, she was bouncing off the walls earlier. When you were upstairs pumping. She probably wore herself out.
Hi. Are we done? Say, okay, I'm done. Bye.